Hello motorsport fans. Today we're diving into the world of Krohn Racing, an iconic American motorsport team known for its achievements in endurance racing. Krohn Racing was founded by Tracy Krohn, a businessman with a passion for racing. His dream was to establish a team that could compete at the highest level in international motorsports, and that's exactly what he did. Starting in 2004, Krohn Racing became a well-known name in endurance events, particularly in sports car racing. The team made its first major appearance in the American Le Mans Series, ALMS, where they quickly made a mark. One of their key achievements came in 2006 when the team competed in the Le Mans Series, where they participated with Ferrari 430 GTC cars. Their involvement in various prestigious series helped establish them as a competitive force in the world of endurance racing. Krohn Racing's entry into the 24 Hours of Le Mans is one of the most notable highlights in the team's history. Le Mans is one of the most grueling endurance races in the world, and Krohn Racing first competed there in 2005. This prestigious event brought them international recognition. Over the years, they've had consistent appearances in the GTE and LMP2 classes, showcasing their dedication to competing at the highest level. The team has had notable partnerships with Ferrari, and their success in the FIA World Endurance Championship, WEC, helped build their legacy. Despite some ups and downs in terms of results, their presence in key endurance events has always been a sign of passion and perseverance. Tracy Krohn, as both the team owner and a driver, played an instrumental role in their success. Krohn Racing became known for its strong performances and sportsmanship, building a loyal fan base. Their determination to race at the top level of international sports car racing allowed them to compete against some of the biggest names in the motorsport world. Unfortunately, after several years of competition, Krohn Racing began scaling back its operations in recent years. Despite this, the team's contribution to the sport and its legacy in endurance racing remains significant. So what makes Krohn Racing stand out? It's not just about the trophies and victories. The team's legacy is about passion, dedication, and a commitment to excellence in one of the toughest racing formats out there. Whether it was their battles at Le Mans, their competitive spirit in the American Le Mans Series, or their technical prowess with Ferrari, Krohn Racing cemented itself as one of the top teams in endurance motorsports. Even though their active racing days have slowed down, the impact Krohn Racing has had on the sport is undeniable. They've proven that with the right mix of ambition, skill, and a love for the sport, anyone can carve out a place in motorsport history. Thanks for watching. And if you're a fan of endurance racing or just love motorsport, make sure to give Krohn Racing a thumbs up for their incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorsport content. See you next time.